This tutorial covers prime factorization. Okay, knowing how to find the prime numbers of a number helps you so much in a lot of math. Okay, so definitions up front here, we have prime. That is a whole number greater than 1 that has exactly 2 factors, itself and 1. Nothing else goes into that number. A factor are whole numbers that are multiplied to find a product. Okay, remember, product is the solution or the answer to a multiplication problem. Prime factorization, when you put it together, is a number written as the product of its prime factors. All right, so we're going to do some examples. We need to find the prime factorization of each number. Now, however you want to start breaking down numbers, yours might look different from the person sitting next to you versus what I'm doing versus whatever. You're always going to end up in the same answer with the same answer as long as you do it right. Okay, so you need to just come up with 2 numbers that multiply to give you 21. You can't start with 21 times 1. That doesn't work. So 7 times 3. Okay, so is 7 prime? Yeah. Is 3 prime? Yep. So my prime factorization, and I have to put them in order from least to greatest, is 3 times 7. There's my prime factorization. Okay, 54, a little bit bigger. So 2 numbers that give me 54 are 6 times 9. Is 6 prime? No. So let's break that down. 2 times 3 is 9 prime. No. Break it down. 3 times 3. Now look what we have. Is 2 prime? Yes. Is 3? Yes. So all of these are prime. All right, so now I have 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. But when I have multiple numbers of the same numbers, I have to use exponents to show this. Okay, so it's 2 times 3 to the 1 2/3 power. Okay, so 54's prime factorization is 2 times 3 to the 3rd power. Okay. Let's come up with, let's say, 37. What 2 numbers multiply to give you 37? The only 2 that I can come up with is 1 times 37. So 37 is prime. Okay, so its prime factorization is 37. And then let's go bigger, go home. 240. Okay, again, however you start out, you will end up with the same solution in the end. Okay, so I'm going to go easy way out here. 2 times 120, because I know that this is divisible by 2, so I just started there. 2 is prime. 120 is not. So I'm going to break that down. It's divisible by 2, so I'm going to say 2 times 60. Again, 2 is prime. 60 is not. I'm going to break it down and say 6 times 10. Neither one of those are prime, so I'm going to break them both down. 2 times 3, 2 times 5. 2 is prime, 3 is prime, and so is 5. I have to put them in order from left to right. Okay, so 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Have to use exponents since I have multiples of the same one. So 2 squared times 3 times 5. That is the prime factorization of 240. Hope this helps you guys.